So just when I thought Five Nights at Freddy's couldn't get creepier, someone requests Scraptrap. What? What is this? What is with his head? What the? It's so big. So let's try and draw this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, weird. Weirdness, weird. Weirdy, weird, weird, weird. So we're going to start with like his eyelid that's kind of half closed. So we'll go across. Now it is pretty complicated, this guy. So take your time. And like this eyelid has like a series of bumps. Like that. So it kind of looks like an umbrella or something. In fact, it even has like a little pipe or wire that really makes it look like an umbrella. Coming down here. So then like his eye socket is like underneath this. And then his eyeball is like in here. Now depending on the image you get, sometimes this is like a black shadow and other times it's like glowing pink. So it's up to you what way you want to do that. If for the purposes of drawing, I think black is easier. Especially around the eyes. So then he seems to have like a grayed out kind of metallic pupil. Sort of there. I don't think it's black. It's kind of grayish. Okay, so his other eye kind of more open. So let's say like we'll do the top of it anyway here. And then again this sort of bumpy thing, but it's more up. And then his nose and eye sort of comes down here. He's got like a pale like skin color. Going that way. And then there's another wire here. So you can't really see the rest. So it's kind of like black shadow in there. And then his eyeball just in there. And then pupil more in the center on this side. So then we get his nose. Little sort of love heart shape. Aww. He loves you really. And then like there's bits of him like all broken, right? So the green sort of spring Bonnie sort of style. It's all burnt and stuff. So that's like all ripped there. And then so the snout goes around. And then like in over his teeth, and there's all chunks taken out of it, you know, it's goes up this way and there's like a chunk taken out of it here. You can kind of see in the back of it. That's that in there. Right, so he's got like two sort of bunny teeth here. And then he's got like a bottom jaw with a row of like sharp teeth. So it's hard to see this now. So his bottom jaw is like here. It just goes up there. And then this row of bottom teeth comes around here. Again, this is like, so it's all like burnt and stuff in some areas. And then we get like sharp, small, sharp teeth, kind of like a shark. And there's like more stuff in there, but like it's probably easier to just do that sort of black inside. Shoe fly. I have a friend. He doesn't want to fly away. Oh, there he is. Okay. So there's like stuff in that, but it's probably easier because it's very hard to see in there. So it's probably easier to just shade that sort of black or like a dark red or something. So then like his face has these other sort of parts that like coming off this way. It's like a bottom part of his jaw or something. And it looks like he has a human ear. Which is weird. And then there's a pipe here. And like some muscle. Like some pink muscle lines here. And like a pink eye socket. And then there's like a piece of jaw that sticks out on this side. It's like pink skin in there. Right, so then we got to deal with this massive head. So this side just bumps up here. And then there's like a chunk taken out of this side. So let's see this. Then it goes across. And then another chunk, big chunk taken out of here. And like little chunks taken out of this side. And then we can see like his skull or something in there, and then there's wires. Wires inside, and you can even, I think you can see brain or something. And more wires. So then his ear with a hole in it. It's all burnt off, the fur parts. Just all down here. And then we have like a pipe coming down this way. Now remember, if I'm too fast, just pause. And then this extends up. And then there's like a bit of a ring around here, something. And then this goes this way. and down that side. And then there is like just a bare metal plate sort of on this side. All the ear is gone. And there's some wires just coming in behind. And like some of his head or something there connects to that. And like dirty him up and stuff, make him look like he's in a bad way. Then we'll move down and try this body. So, right, lots of bumping plates, like lots of bumping sort of sections that are all destroyed, melted. Like coming around his neck and his body and stuff all here. And then there's like pipes for his neck. And then we'll go, so like a gap here. And then like all down that way. Then another gap. Right. So it kind of looks like a map, countries or something. And then his button is there, and then there's a hole in his chest here. And again, like there is some like pink and stuff, but it's mostly black just in there. And a little bit of pink showing. And then there's like raised up sections. So then there's like some pink ribs or something here. Not really sure. Pink though. In there as well. And it's all sort of black just around it. And then there's like pink pipes and then normal pipes. All sorts of stuff in here, all these wires and pipes and stuff like that on his belly. Then his arms, so again, destroyed. Green parts on top of pink and wire and all that. So like a bit of bone or something there. I'm not sure, there's like a pipe in there. Just various sort of pipes and wires and things. And then a weird pink thing here, it's like a spike. A little dangly bit down there. Okay, so the other arm, so we got the green cover parts. Just roughly adding these just around where his arm is. And then all like tubes and wires and stuff all in here. Some of them pink and some of them gray. All right. I think that's everything. Scraptrap from Five Nights at Freddy's. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.